In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the knife blade on an A1200. Before you start, you want to make sure that power and air is off of the machine. The tools needed to perform this job, because we're handling a very sharp blade, are a pair of gloves and a 5/32 hex key or Allen wrench. Use caution when removing the knife guards, as after a production run, your sealers may still be hot. Using a 5/32 Allen key, remove the cap screws holding the knife guards in place. With the same 5/32 wrench, remove the cap screws holding the blade in place. Be very careful, as the end seal may be hot and the blade is very sharp. With the bolts removed, slide the blade out of the end seal. With the blade removed, you can see it's a scalloped edge blade. These usually last up to a year depending on product and material, but we recommend replacing every 6 months if needed. Once you have your replacement blade, do the reverse of the removal. Place the blade in the end seals and line up your holes for your 1032 cap screw. With your 5/32 Allen key, reinstall the bolts. With the blade replaced, we can now reinstall the knife guards. That is how you remove and replace a blade on our Avatar vertical form, fill, and seal machines. If you have any other questions, email us at info@allfill.com or call us at 610-524-7350.